There are three different formulas that I'm going to demonstrate on how to design a flame icon. The first system is the symmetrical design. I first draw a series of guidelines all branching out from the same bottom source. I make sure that there's the same amount of branches on the right side as there is on the left side. This particular design, I am making sure that the tips of the different branches are all going upwards. The second system is the C design, or the curve design. Again, working from one source at the bottom, I create a series of curved guidelines that are curved in the same manner. The third system is the S or Z design. I'm going to create a series of wave guidelines that all follow the same wave shape. Creative things you can do to create the illusion of depth is to work with the negative space as one branch of flame interacts with another. In the new examples to the left, you can see how the negative space is used to create a multi-image of not just a flame, but as well as a face. The design on the bottom, you can see the negative space is being used to create a more dynamic flame design. I'm using a light color pencil to give myself a little bit of a thumbnail sketch before I commit to the actual drawing with a dark pencil. As I draw these, I'm not really thinking about what is the ultimate design going to look like. I'd rather actually make 10 or 15 or 20 designs pretty quickly, just experimenting with different ways of doing things, and then later judge as to what ones I think are worth revisiting and improving. What you didn't see in this video are the 10 to 12 really bad sketches that I did before I even started this video. This is what we consider to be a warm-up sketch. I didn't want to do warm-up, it just worked out that way. And so don't be too discouraged if your first few designs are just not really that good. You have to just kind of muscle through it, and you will start to find your sketches get better and better the more you do them. After having done a few traditional flame designs, I'm now starting to get a little experimental with what I could do. So I'm not really working with a source at the very bottom. The shapes are just kind of getting unorthodox. They may work, it may not, but it's better for you to take risk and try things than to just keep doing the same old thing over and over again. But not even going to work on that one anymore. After certain sketches are selected, I then do a cleaner line drawing of that sketch. Because my first sketch is so dark, I can use copy paper to see a faint version of my initial sketch as I revise it. Changes are subtle, but I believe it improves the design.